A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M.
Hi friends! Welcome back to our colorful world. Today, we're going to learn amazing colors with fun cartoon letters. Are you ready? Let's go! First is red. Red, red, bright and bold, like apples shiny and marigold. Next is blue. Blue, blue, calm and bright, like the ocean and the sky so light. Here comes yellow. Yellow, yellow, warm and fun, like bananas and the shining sun. Now we see green. Green, green, full of cheer, like grassy fields and leaves so near. Time for orange. Orange, orange, bold and bright, like pumpkins glowing in the night. Here comes pink. Pink, pink, fluffy and sweet, like cotton candy you love to eat. Now we see purple. Purple, purple, royal hue, like magic grapes and lavender too. Look at brown. Brown, brown, chocolate treat, like sturdy trees and earth beneath.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for frog. G for glass. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,